Good afternoon everyone, my name is Rin V. Cañete from BScream 1B and this is my output and computer application. The output is to represent the 5 parts of the computer. First part is the CPU, or also known as the brain of the computer, responsible for reading and interpreting instructions from software. The use of CPU is in consumer electronics like smartphones and laptops, as well as in the fields such as data analysis. And second part is the motherboard. Motherboard is the main printed of the circuit board and central communication hub of the computer, and connecting all of the components to the CPU. And the use of motherboard is the first factor to determine the computer size and expansion and capabilities. The third part is the RAM, or the random access memory. RAM is the computer's memory and providing place and applications to the store and access to the data in the short term. The uses of random access memory enables the computer to perform daily tasks like loading apps, browsing the web, and editing documents, and gaming, for quick switching between multiple tasks. The fourth part is the HDD, or hard disk drive. Hard disk drive is the traditional storage device that uses rotating magnetic disk to store data. The use of each hard disk drive offers a large storage. And the last part is the monitor. Monitor is the output of device used to display image, text, and videos transmitted from the computer. Some of touchscreens monitors can also serve as the input of devices.